Hi, I'm Dr. Marty Becker, America's veterinarian. You see me on Good Morning America and the Dr. Oz Show, and I'm here today to talk about something that seems impossible. You go to the veterinarian and they tell you, you gotta give that cat a pill. And you think to yourself, I'll try, but the last time I tried it wasn't successful. And I'm here to tell you about some options for getting the medication out of the bottle and into the cat. First thing you want to do, there are some medications now for cats that are edible. So the cats actually like the flavor of that. Also, there's a product called Greenie's Pill Pockets. Looks like a little edible glass. It's in salmon flavored, chicken flavored. There's even a duck and pea flavored one now for cats that are hypoallergenic. You simply put the pill inside of it and the cat thinks it's a treat. So it's kind of like putting the treat into treatment. Also, rather than sticking your fingers down a cat's mouth, which can get pretty hairy if you know what I mean, you can use a little pill gun. It's like it has little flexible fingers on it, and you actually put it down inside the cat's mouth, and when you push the plunger, if it happens to bite, it's not going to bite you. But better yet, there's a way to use medications through a compounding pharmacist that your veterinarian works with. So they can take medications and get these, what they call taste tabs or flavor tabs. So you'll actually let your cat pick out flavors that they like the taste of, and then they simply send off that flavor, and the pharmacist puts the medication that your cat's going to have inside a treat that your cat has picked the flavor of. Also, there's some savory liquids now for cats that like liquids, and they can get stuff that's like salmon, buttermilk, salty tuna, stuff that flavors that cats really like, and a lot of them will just lick it right out of a spoon. And every time you give a cat a pill, one thing I want you to do is to make sure you always flush it down with water. There's been some studies done and shown cats that have been given medication even 30, 45 minutes after they take the pill, it's lodged in their esophagus where it can cause inflammation. So always give a little water chaser, and you simply pull out the corner of their mouth, make a little funnel out of it, squirt the water down in there, and it flushes that pill right down into the stomach. And finally, if all of those fail, ask your veterinarian about putting together the medication with a compounding pharmacist in what we call a transdermal. And that's a medication that can actually be wiped right inside the cat's ear where it's absorbed through the skin. So remember, if you're having trouble, studies have shown only 1 out of 5 cat owners are successful getting all the medication out of the bottle and into the cat as directed by the veterinarian. So don't feel embarrassed, don't feel guilty if you're not successful. Ask your veterinarian for some options, and if need be, you can just bring it in every day and have your veterinarian give the medication. But by using some of these tips I told you, I think you're going to be much more successful.